So in this follow along here, I'm going to show you how to use resource groups and tagging. So we're going to spin up a couple of servers, give them some tags, and associate those to a resource group, see that they are in a group, and then we'll tear down those servers, okay? So what I want you to do is make your way to EC2. So we'll go up to services at the top here and type in EC2, okay? And we'll just make our way over to the EC2 console. So once we are here, we'll have to go ahead and launch some instances. So let's press the big blue button, okay? And now that we're in here, we'll just choose Amazon Linux 2, okay? And we'll stick with the micro tier because that is the free tier. And then we're just gonna set up 2 servers, okay? And we're going to go onto storage and pass onto storage onto tags. And we're gonna add a new tag and I'm gonna call it project. I'm gonna say Terrock Nor, okay, Terrock Nor, and that is a Star Trek reference if you're wondering, okay. And we don't have to worry about security groups. We'll have to review and launch. We're gonna hit launch here, and I'm going to drop down proceed without a key pair. We're not doing anything with these servers, just tagging them, okay. And so they are launching. We're gonna go down to view instances in the right hand side there, and then they are launching. I'm just going to click on one of these. Even though there's a loading thing, you can still click the checkbox, and we're going to go to tags here just so we can see our tag. And then what I want you to do is drop resource groups down here, and I'm just going to create a new group. I'm going to open a new tab to make my life a little bit easier here, and we'll just wait for this to load. Okay, and so here we are creating a new group, and we need to choose our group type. So we have tag-based and CloudFormation stack-based. So we're gonna be going with tag-based today, okay? And so then we have our grouping criteria. This is gonna determine how things will be grouped. And so we can choose a resource type, but we'll just leave it to all supported resource types, okay? So that allows it to be anything, EC2 or anything, okay? And we will need to supply our tag. So going back over here, I just want to make sure it's 100% the same. So I'm just going to copy and paste that there. So we got project, and then we have Terrock Nor, okay? And I'm just going to hit add. And so now we have our criteria set up. This is where we would see those group resources. We don't see any as of yet, okay? I'm just gonna click here to see what we'd see. Oh, sorry, so you hit that there, and now those instances have been found. And also the volumes, the EBS volumes attached there also have the tag applied, it appears to be. So we actually have 4 resources, and that's why. And so I'm just going to type in Terrock Nor here, okay? And we have some optionals here to tag the actual group here. That's not necessary. We'll just hit create group. Okay, and so now we have grouped resources. Okay, so whenever we want to look at our saved groups, okay, we can go here, we can see Terrock Nor, and we can see all the resources and then quickly click through to find the resources with those tags. All right. All right, and so now that we know how to create a resource group, let's actually go look at manage tags, okay? Because this is a very convenient way to find resources, all right, based on tag. So what we can do is it adds the region that we're in. So we're in Ohio right now, and we could choose the type of resource. So I'll say all resource types, and I'm gonna just type in project, see how it auto completes there. And I can choose Terrock Nor, okay, I'm gonna hit add, I'm gonna hit search resources, okay? And so what that has done for me is it's actually found them all for me. And if I wanted to export them as a CSV, those resources, I could do so. And I think if I checkbox here and go to manage tag selected resources, I can now remove the tag from all these resources here or add additional tags. Okay, so I can go here and then say Federation Starfleet. Okay. All right, and I believe if I hit review and apply tags, it's going to go now apply those tags to those 4 resources. So we go back to EC2 instance here. We might have to do a manual refresh up here. And so now we have an additional tag applied. If we wanted to remove those en masse, it's going to be the same story, right? So we're going to go to project. We're going to go to Terrock Nor. We're going to hit all resources here, search for those resources, and I can select them all, manage them, and remove that tag, okay? So yeah, and it's pretty darn straightforward. I think I actually removed our original tag there. So if I go back here and do a refresh, now we just have Federation Starfleet. Okay, so you know, that's as simple as it is. And there's tagging found out throughout so many services within AWS, okay? And I'm just going to go and shut down these instances because we are done with them. So we want to terminate them, and we want to say yes. Okay, and so that's all of our cleanup there. So there you go.